Good morning. We are traveling north on the ferry Holm-Vennesund with our motorhome. We are exploring the national coastal highway number 17 in Norway. And we are thinking of going in up in the mountain Torghatten. If there is possible to find some parking places up there, we just have to see. In the meanwhile, just enjoy this beautiful scenery. Well, that was expected. Of course, it's a nice weather, no wind, perfect condition. And it's full, parking place is full. Let's see here now. Is there somewhere to park for us here? Can we park? Yeah, 60 kroners parking. Lots of spots. Alright, so we packed some stuff here, put it in a bag. I'm gonna be smart. I think I'm smart and put in the key to the van in the backpack. Don't want to have too much weight in the pockets. I'm really dreading this. As you can clearly see, I'm not in shape or any form or way. And now I'm about to climb up a mountain in the heat. What can possibly go wrong? I can see the parking place is still in sight, and I'm already getting out of breath, and I think there's only going to be B-rolls from here on up. I wish I was younger, I wish I was fitter, I wish I was thinner, and well, be thankful for what you got. So we're about halfway there. I should point thing out. Oh, I can't speak. So we're about halfway there. Now, I should point out one thing. If you watch this and you don't know what Torghatten is, or there's hikes, stuff like that, it's not a hard hike to do. It's just that we are extremely unfit. We've been passed by people carrying their children, the picnics, old folks. Some folks on one of those fancy one-wheeling thing. Yeah, so don't be put off by our poor lifestyle and our bad shape. Come and feel the agony, you too. And so here we are, after climbing thousands of feet up with the rocks. Infamous and famous Torghatten. Yes, I know what you're thinking. You have seen the pictures on Instagram and on the internet, and it seems bigger. But yeah. Woohoo, made it to the top. Easy peasy, Japanesey, lemon squeezy. Well, here it is. Now we're just gonna walk through it. Well, now we have to sit down here for a bit, get the breath back. I feel I should explain why there is a giant hole here, because the internet is full of lies, yes. One story is that there was a giant up in the island Leka who was mad about his woman, and he shot an arrow after her, missed her, and hit the island here. That's what made the hole. Others say it's the Ice Age who had done it. I know for a fact that it's back in the 70s. There was a tunnel project going on here, and they had some leftover dynamite. And so the tunnel builder, instead of giving the dynamite back to the government, he just blasted this hole there and got paid for the whole thing. And that's really why it's a hole here. But of course, that was illegal, so he has to make up stories, so, he didn't get caught. Yeah, so we have posts for Instagram, all that jazz, taking pictures from all the angles. The drone is back in the van, so that ain't doing much good at all. So yeah, I think we're gonna call this the day. Been here, done that, ate our food, everything. So, see you back in the van. Okay, as you can see, we're back in the van. We made it down alive, barely. We are ridiculously tired. So, I think we need to end this video here. We are pretty proud of ourselves. We are patting ourselves on the shoulders. We actually made it. And we want to thank you very much for watching. And as always, as I do at this point at the videos, please subscribe to the channel. It will make us very happy. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.